guys! So I really enjoyed watching all of your introduction videos, getting to learn a little bit more about you guys and what you like, so thank you for taking the time to make those. And so at this point we've read the first 5 chapters of Born a Crime by Trevor Noah. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it so far, that you've learned some things that you didn't know before. And so I just have a few discussion questions about this first section, and it would be great if you could make another video in response to those questions. Just a few thoughts that you had while reading, that would be really great. So first, I'm sure you guys noticed that before each of the chapters there is a short little informative section. Here's one of them. And so that is still written by Trevor Noah but isn't part of his life story, but those are before each chapter. And so I want to know what you guys thought of this, like this strategy that he uses for conveying information, and if when you were reading it you discovered some pieces of information that you didn't know. Specifically, I want to know if you guys had ever heard of apartheid before reading this book and what you knew about it previously. So that's the first question I want you guys to respond to. And then second, the relationship between Trevor and his mother is very important throughout the text. We get to see a lot of different sides to that, hear a lot of stories, and so I want to know what you think of that relationship so far. How would you describe his relationship with his mother? And then what details from the text helped you to gain that understanding, whether that be a specific quote or just a general story that he tells, a general idea, but what led you to make that conclusion about his relationship with his mother? That's the second question. And then the third question to think about is that throughout this first section, but especially in chapter 4, we learn a lot about the confusions and the complications that arose for Trevor throughout his childhood, since his mother was black and his father was white, and just the internal tension that this created as he was trying to figure out where he fit in his adolescence. And so what does he ultimately decide in chapter 4? Like what kind of dawns on him, and what leads him to this conclusion? I know we get kind of the insights of a lot of different people in about who Trevor really is and what group he fits in with, but what do you think leads him to make this decision, and what does he say in the text? So those are the 3 questions I want you guys to respond to in your video, and make sure you remember that our next reading assignment is chapters 6 through 10. So next time we'll be discussing those chapters. Thank you guys. Have a great week.